Good morning, everybody. How are you? My name's Courtney. I'm going to be talking about digital marketing today and how you can get started with the Luxe Income Lounge. The link for this will be in the description to join. If you want to join on a payment plan for $23 a month, zero down today, or $267 up front. So we're going to go over my review for Luxe Income Lounge. And I wanted to do this update because there is a brand new module that just dropped yesterday teaching you how to do Airbnb arbitrage. So if we come here to the community tab, which I want to bring you guys to, and the testimonials, okay, within 7 days, I made 1.3K, okay? You make 85% commission, so you make about 224 per sale. Brought two mamas into Lux in less than an hour, another 1K day. From burnout mom to first 11.2K month. Okay? Oh my gosh. My first sale. 82K in 64 days. Guys, people are making money with Lux. And all you have to do is join with the link below and do videos like this, review videos telling people why they should join. Digital marketing is the cheat code. It's going to help you get out of your 9 to 5, stop living paycheck to paycheck, pay off debt, pay off a car, buy stuff, go on vacation. Like, it's going to set you financially free if you do it correctly. So we're going to go ahead and get into this classroom, okay? You start here. Welcome. Start here. There's the affiliate module. Here's ground zero. What to post as a beginner. Live recordings. We meet 4 times a week. Count them. 1, 2, 3, 4. So you get all your questions answered. And they're all recorded. So if you miss a live one, you can always watch the recordings in this module. Mindset, motivation, and momentum. Claim your lane. I bought the course. Now what? Brand building 101. Identity over imitation. It's not the course, it's your content. You have to know how to create content to make sales. Lead by example, income skills, target audience and engagement. The power of being coachable, clarity to cash. Now, I want to tell you something. Here's the scale method by Justin Springer. You can look him up. This is an amazing module. Now, I want to let you know something. If you buy this course, you do not only have to resell it. Okay, that's one of the income streams. You can also create your own digital product. It teaches you how to in here. Okay, now I'm going to tell you how to attract people by this attraction code module, how to close sales in the DMs. Okay, you can create your own product. You can sell Lux. That's 2. You can do Amazon reviews. You can become a UGC creator. Okay? You can do letter writing. You can do VA services. Or you can do Airbnb arbitrage. Okay? The TikTok live success system. Selling in your stories. If you want to do Instagram. This girl that does this module went completely faceless and sold in her stories on Instagram because she didn't want her family and friends to know what she was doing. How to create a digital product with Claude, the resource vault, creating on Canva, the Gen X module, LuxBot. You can create your AI twin. Here's PLR products. So you can get these PLR products and you can price them for whatever you want and sell them. Invisible influence, the elevated email list, and promo material. So what you're going to do, here's your step-by-step. For people that need a step-by-step, you're going to watch this video, okay? You're going to click the link below. You're going to go to my stand store. You're going to join Lux, okay? $267 one-time payment, or you can use Afterpay or Klarna to get as low as $23 a month, zero today, okay? Depending on your credentials and how you qualify. Then You're going to go through the modules. On this thing, it's going to say community, okay? You're going to go to your community tab. When you sign up for Luxe, you're going to have to sign up for a Stand Store account or a Beacons.ai account to host your products. Okay? If you need help with that, reach out to me and I will be glad to help you. Okay? So when you sign up, it's going to say new to Luxe. Your first 3 steps are here. Okay? You need to follow these steps. You need to activate your stand. Okay? You need to go through the affiliate module if you want to make money with Luxe. If you want to set up your stand store or your beacons, go to the Start Here module and there's an execution guide. It will tell you what to post what days. Don't overthink it. Don't try to reinvent the wheel. It works when you work it. Stay coachable, stay consistent. The process, only your job right now is to start. Guys, do what she tells you. Go through the modules. Post what she tells you to post. You're going to make sales. Okay? They just launched, if you want master resale rights to Luxe, you can do that as well. Make sure you read this post. Okay? If you purchase Luxe, let me put this disclaimer out there before anybody asks. There is a no refund policy for Luxe. It is a digital product. Once you purchase, your sale is final. You've checked 2 accept boxes on the sales page. Okay? No refunds will be accepted. All right? So I want you guys to get in here. I want you to learn from Luxe. I want you to start posting content, start making sales, start doing other streams of income if you want. You don't have to sell Luxe. You can do Airbnb, you can do UGC, you can do Amazon reviews, you can do letter writing, you can create your own digital product. The opportunities are endless. What I want you to do is make money so you can leave your 9 to 5. Your 9 to 5 gives power to feed you, but it also gives power to starve you. Make sure that you create multiple streams of income. I hope this video was helpful. Like I said, if you're interested, please click the link below so that you can sign up for Luxe today. When you sign up for Luxe, I'll set up your stand store and I will also give you your first digital product. Okay? So if you have any questions, please drop them below. Make sure you subscribe and hit the bell notification so you get notified when I drop new videos. I hope you guys have a fantastic Thursday. Have a great day, everyone.